The chase that defines survival. In the heart of the savannah, speed becomes law and instinct becomes strategy. This is not just a hunt, it's a high-stakes battle of design. The impala, light on its feet, zigzags with precision, built by evolution for this very moment. The cheetah, the fastest land predator on earth, cuts through the wind like a guided missile. Claws unsheathed, eyes locked. Every heartbeat is a calculation, every leap is a gamble. In this race, one runs for dinner, the other runs for life. Nature doesn't play fair, it only plays real. Shout out to Mother Nature.